smart kids! Fun with shapes. Star, star. Triangle, triangle. Rectangle, rectangle. Square, square. Circle, circle. Heart, heart. Rhombus, rhombus. Pentagon, pentagon. Oval, oval. Pyramid, pyramid. Hexagon, parallelogram. Trapezoid, trapezoid. Hexagon, hexagon. Which shape has 5 equal sides? Pentagon. Which shape has 10 sides? Star. Which shape has 3 sides and 3 angles? Triangle. Which shape has 6 sides? Hexagon. Which shape has no sides? Heart. Which shape has 5 sides? Pentagon. Good job.